Family, this is Chris once again, and today we are going to do simplification of Surds. We have question 1 and question 2, so let's go ahead and solve them. You ready? Let's do this. Now, the first question says, question 1, simplify the following Surds. A, root 63. Root 63. Now, to simplify this, we need to find the factors of 63. So we can write 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 7 is 63. Then we can go forward to expand this by writing square root of 9 times square root of 7. Now we know that square root of 9 is 3. We know that already. Square root of 9 is 3. So we have square root of 9. Does 1 turns out to be 3. Square root of 9 turns out to be 3. So we write 3 times root 7. This gives out the answer to be 3 root 7. That is the answer that you will get for the question 1. Question 1 answer is 3 root 7. Now let's move to question 2. Question 2 is a bit longer. Go through them step by step, okay? Now we have square root of 50 plus square root of 2 minus 2 minus 2 root 18 plus root 8. The same way we did the first one, we have to find the factors of all these numbers. So we have factors of 50, which we can write 2 times 25 root 2 minus 2. We can write this to be 9 times 2 plus 4 times 2. Now we can break it down by expanding the bracket for those that find it difficult. That's how we do it. You write root 2 times root 25, the same thing, plus root 2 minus, now we have 2 into bracket, root 9 times root 2, bracket closed, plus root 4 times root 2. Now we know that root 25, is 5. So root 25 here gives you 5. We know root 9 gives you 3. And then root 4 gives you 2. Now knowing this actually helps you to solve the question in a much simpler way. Now you have root times root 2 times 5, which gives you 5 root 2 plus root 2 square root minus, we have this is going to give you 2 into bracket 3 root 2 bracket close plus 2 root 2, because we have the 2, 3, and 5. Now we can actually further simplify this. We have 5 root 2 plus root 2 minus 2 times 3 here is 6 root 2 plus 2 root 2. Now, since we have the same root number, we have root 2 here, root 2, root 2, and root 2. We can actually put the entire numbers into a simple bracket, multiplying the common root number. So we can write this as 5. Remember, the coefficients of this root 2 is 1. Just we don't write it, but the coefficients of it is 1. So we have 5. We have 5. This is 1 plus 1, which is this, minus the 6 plus the 2. Remember, all this expression is multiplying root 2. Now we can easily get the answer by knowing that 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. So the answer is going to be 2 root 2. This gives us the answer for the second question. The second question giving us root 50 plus root 2 minus 2 root 18 plus root 8. Simplified form is 2 root 2. All right, let's go to the question 2. The question 2 is a little bit different. Now the question 2, let's solve it here. Question 2, it says we should express 6 root 5 as a simple square root. Now there is a principle that we use. The principle says that if we have a root b, and if you want to make a also a root form, then this entire expression becomes a squared times b. As you try to make the a number into the root number, it becomes squared times the base b, which is already here. So knowing this principle, we can now say that this question expressing 6 root 5 as a simple square root will be square root 6 squared, which represents the a, times 5. Then we know that square 6 is 36. Square 6 is 36. Multiplying what? 5. 6 multiplying 5. Now, 36 by 5 simply gives us 36 by 5 simply gives us square root of 180 as our final answer. 180 as our final answer. So I believe that you've understood the entire principle behind simplification of surds. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Please do share to people that you think that they need, or people that are having some sort of exams coming up. And also don't forget to share to those that you believe that are also your loved ones that they need help with math. Please put your comments, and don't forget to also share what you think is a simplified way of solving these questions in the comment section below. And also have a good day. All right, until we meet again, peace. I'm out.